have entered the prep zone. Tonight we got girls basketball. The Archbishop Hannon Lady Hawks come to Pearl River to take on the Lady Rebels in a non-district matchup. Girls basketball. Pre-game with Coach Arsamet. Coach, first time we're seeing your team. Give us a rundown how the season's going so far.
Our season's going pretty good. We're right now we're 4-4. We played in the Pine tournament. We did well, and we went over to the First Baptist tournament and got us a couple wins. So we're doing well.
Tonight, what is it going to take to beat the Lady Hawks?
Defense, good defense and good rebounding. Can't give up too many offensive boards. You know, our shots have to fall. We have to get to the free throw line.
Pre-game with Lady Hawk coach Charles Baird. Coach, give us a rundown. First time we're going to see you this season. How's your team doing?
We're doing good. We're growing. We're very young. You know, I have one senior on my team, one junior. I start freshmen and sophomores every game. It's a learning experience, but we're very bottom heavy in terms of youth and age.
What do you think it's going to take tonight for you to get a victory against the Lady Rebels?
It's eliminate the mistakes, stop turning the ball over, rebound, just some of the basic things, better passing, moving the ball around more. When we do that, we do well. When we don't, you know, as with any basketball team, you struggle.
St. Pierre and Hake on the tap. Hannon with the basketball. Magruder, Danielle Magruder, over to Morgan Riley. Guarded by Madison Mumphrey. That goes out of bounds. Turnover by the Lady Hawks, and Lady Rebels will bring it up. Rachel Pike is at the point for the Lady Rebels. Mumphrey. That shot off the mark by Unbehagen. Inbound. LaPere. Rachel LaPere taking it coast to coast and draws the foul. And Rachel will go to the line to shoot two. She is good on the first. She will get a second. 5'7" sophomore for Coach Baird's team. And she's 2 for 2 from the line. That one out of bounds off Pearl River. Good defense by Megan Riley. Hannon ball out of bounds. Eshelman inbounds to Riley. Riley down the court. Gives it up. Pass inside there and shot by Hake. Followed up. Basket good, and we've got a timeout. 7:03 to go in the first quarter. Hannon up 4-0 over Pearl River. Ball inbound to start after the timeout. Pike at the point. Give and go. Mumphrey ends up with Unbehagen. Pump fake and a jump ball as LaPere reaches in, gets her hands on it, but it's still the Lady Rebels basketball. Inbound. Caitlin Mumphrey at the point. Left wing to St. Pierre. On the dribble. LaPere ties it up. We got a jump ball, and this time it will be Hannon basketball. 4-0 Hannon over Pearl River here. That one inbounded to Magruder. to Riley. Riley guarded closely. Coach called for timeout. No one heard him. That's going to be a jump ball. It's actually, so it'll be Pearl River basketball. Caitlin Mumphrey. Ball knocked away. Mumphrey to Mumphrey. Madison, this one on the right wing. Shot by St. Pierre off the mark. No good. Long shot off the mark by Madison Mumphrey. Rebound. Hannon going the other way. Caitlin Mumphrey runs it down. Mumphrey in the lane. Shot up off the basket. Rebound. Eshelman. Looking up the court. Lost the handle and be called for the walk. Pike inbounds to Caitlin Mumphrey. Long shot by St. Pierre off the mark. Hake with the rebound. Dishes it back to Eshelman. And that one's stolen by Madison Mumphrey. Puts up the shot, draws the foul from Megan Riley. Mumphrey at the line to shoot 2. Misses on the first, but Madison will get his second shot. Off the mark on number 2, Mackenzie Hake with the rebound. Riley. Dishing it off. Shot quickly by LaPere is good. LaPere's got 4, and Hannon is up 6-0. First quarter. Long three-pointer off the basket. Hake with her third rebound and as many trips down the floor for Pearl River. LaPere losing the handle, gets it to Riley. Riley dishes it off to Magruder. Riley lost the handle, out of bounds. Rachel Pike bringing it up. Mumphrey to Mumphrey. St. Pierre. Caitlin to Madison. Baseline. Dishes it inside. That ball lost. Magruder came up with it. LaPere pushing the issue. Pike trying to reach in. Can't get it. Does steal it. Gets it up. This one for Caitlin Mumphrey. Layup coming. And Caitlin Mumphrey gets the Lady Rebels on the board as they trail 6-2 first quarter. LaPere. Rachel LaPere. Pike almost comes up with the steal. Eshelman to inbound. 3:31 to go in the first. That ball down inside. Riley. Hounded by Mumphrey. And we're going to have what is called a jump ball here when the ball gets lodged. They'll throw a ball in, knock it out, and get ready to play ball. Well, maybe it'll take them 2 times to get it. Oh, maybe 3. you go. Hannon ball out of bounds. Hannah Duplashane checks in for Coach Baird, and Duplashane has it. Under pressure, stolen by Caitlin Mumphrey, stolen back by LePere. Riley, that shot by LePere off the mark. Rebound, Riley, whistle. Leno checking in, and Caitlin Mumphrey checking out. Eshelman to inbound. That shot off the mark by Hake. Rebound, St. Pierre. Leno. Pike. Gattuso, Pike, Leno, Mumphrey, Madison Mumphrey. Gattuso on the baseline. Back to Pike. Inside move by Pike. Shot off the basket. No good. Rebound, Eshelman. Eshelman up court to LePere. LePere going right side. And that ball goes off of a Lady Rebel out of bounds, so it'll be Lady Hawk basketball. Riley. Duplashane. Gonna get called for the walk. Got to keep that pivot foot down when you start moving around, is when it has a tendency to stray from its spot, which it did that time. Mumphrey to LaQuenta, Lano, Rachel Pike, Brooke Gattuso. Dumped inside, moved by St. Pierre toward the basket. Sierra St. Pierre draws the foul. She'll go to the line. $1:33 to go, first quarter. 6-2, Hannon over Pearl River. Make it 6-3. Sierra St. Pierre, a sophomore. That shot's good, 2 for 2. St. Pierre, 2-point game now. Duplashane under pressure. Got timeout, Coach Baird. $1:27 to go in the first quarter. It's Hannon 6, Pearl River 4. Ball inbounded after the timeout. Duplashane loses the handle. It goes out of bounds. Pearl River basketball. Full court pressure that time by the Lady Rebels results in a turnover by the Lady Hawks. And Lano going to bring it out to the point. Gattuso runs the baseline, and she gets it stolen by LePere. And then stolen back by Pike. Pike down the lane, kicks it out to St. Pierre, off the mark. Run down by Madison Mumphrey, and foul by Rachel LePere. There has been a lot of action in this game so far, and I would attribute that to a lot of hustle by both sides, both teams. These ladies are playing hard tonight. Leno over to Pike. Gattuso back to Pike. Leno. Mumphrey in the lane, kicks it back out for Pike. Leno having a little bit of a problem trying to figure out the zone by Hannon is the Lady Rebels. Mumphrey cuts through and back out. Lano got cutters. St. Pierre. Pike. Lano. Mumphrey, a quick shot. Back of the iron, rebound. Mackenzie Hake, and the first quarter comes to the end with the Hannon Lady Hawks up 6-4 over the Pearl River Lady Rebels. Pearl River inbounds to start the second quarter, excuse me. Points have been few and far between by both teams. Good defense has ruled the first quarter, and that's a foul. Hannon to inbound. Eshelman to inbound. She finds Scherer. Alex Scherer, pull-up shot at the bottom of the lane. Comes off the Pearl River. St. Pierre. Caitlin Mumphrey. Shot by Mumphrey. She drains one. This game is tied up at 6. Riley, right down the right side, dishes it off, and Madison Mumphrey with the steal to Caitlin Mumphrey, gonna put up a shot and draws a foul. Mumphrey off the back iron, no good. Rebound. Unbehagen unable to save that one. It goes out of bounds off of her, and Eshelman will inbound. Eshelman. LaPere. Rachel LaPere. Inbound. Eshelman to Dupleshin. Pike comes up to double team. LaPere, and Caitlin Mumphrey commits the foul. Eshelman inbound. Loose ball. Pike almost had it as she comes out of the pack with it. Rachel Pike down the right side, going to the basket, draws a foul. Alexa Scherer on the foul. Rachel Pike at the line, makes the first one. She will serve a second one. And she drains that one. 8-6 Pearl River, their first lead of the game. LaPere, pull-up jumper, right side, off the basket. Got her own rebound, put back, no good. Loose ball now coming out. Inbound, stolen. Pike brings it up. Unbehagen off the mark. Rebound, Mumphrey, put back, good. Caitlin Mumphrey has 6 of her team's 10. And a 4-point lead for the Lady Rebels. Duplessis, baseline, steps out of bounds. It's going to go the other way. Pike going to dribble it up at the point. Megan Riley set to check back in. Loose ball. Stolen, then stolen back. That would be backcourt. Inbound, Eshelman to Riley. Riley weaving in the lane, loses the handle. Hannon gets it back, shot no good, rebound. And Riley some kind of way ends up with it and knocks it down. Megan Riley's got 4, the freshman, and her team is within 2 of Pearl River. They trail 10-8. Long shot by Mumphrey is good for 3. Madison Mumphrey lighting it up from behind the arc. That pass to Eshelman, looking ahead for LaPere, off of LaPere's hand. That full court pressure right there by the Lady Rebels really forced that turnover. And Rachel Pike will bring it up. 5-point lead for Pearl River. Pike down the lane, puts up a shot and in. And the second quarter has been good to the Lady Rebels. And we've got a timeout with 4:20 to go in the half. 15-8, Pearl River over Hannon. Hannon inbounds after the timeout. LaPere goes to the basket and draws the foul. Oh, check that. Call for the charge. Rachel LaPere. Call for the personal foul. 4:10 to go, first half. 15-8 Pearl River. Mumphrey thought about it. Dishes off to Unbehagen, off the mark. Rebound, Riley. Both teams took turns, turning the ball over right there. Foul call there, so it'll be Lady Rebel basketball. Unbehagen in. Tabitha Unbehagen inbounds it. Caitlin Mumphrey gets it back from Unbehagen. Dishes it down in there. Tabitha trying to put up a shot. Called a jump ball. Alternating possession. Tiffany Hall checks back in. And Sierra St. Pierre checks out. Hannon. Full court pressure, but they beat it quick. Shera, pull-up jumper's good. Alexa Shera knocks down a shot. Gets her team within 5, but Caitlin Mumphrey just takes it right down the court and puts her team back up by 7. Loose ball. Madison Mumphrey, Caitlin Mumphrey, Rachel Pike back to Caitlin, and Megan Riley with a nice steal, and then the ball's knocked out of bounds. There has been no lack of action here, as it's been up and down. Cross court, Duplessis, right side, pulls up. Throws it back out, run down. Pike comes up with the loose ball, but cannot control it. It goes out of bounds. Eshelman was trying to save it from being back court, unable to do that. but Pike unable to keep it in bounds. So Carly Eshelman will inbound it, the sophomore. Out to Hannah Duplashane. Pull up, find Megan Riley inside. Riley didn't make it, and that one is off of Duplashane. Both of these teams playing with younger players, freshmen, lots of freshmen on the court. Duplashane, Riley. The two Mumphreys, Caitlin and Madison for Pearl River. This only bodes well next year, the following year, and then their senior year, because they'll have lots of experience. Mumphrey in the lane, pull-up jumper, knocks it down. Caitlin Mumphrey is in double figures at 10 to lead all scorers. 19-10, 9-point lead, and we've got a jump ball. Riley Roberts checks in for Coach Baird's team. When you're playing a lot of young players, there's going to be the learning curve, you hope, favors you at some point. Pump fake, basket shot by Cheyenne Griggs. That shot off the mark. Rebound, Roberts to Eshelman. Up ahead for Scherer. Pull-up shot by Alexa off the mark. Tiffany Hall had it knocked out off of her, out of bounds. So you want them to learn real fast and get in with the program. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. With freshmen, you got to have baby steps and hope they catch on quickly. That shot off the mark by LaPere. Mumphrey with the steal. Pike, foul line, kicks it out. Madison Mumphrey off the mark. But ends up getting the ball from LaPere. Looked like a foul to me, not called though. Oh, that's a walk. Griggs called for the walk. Eshelman to inbound. Throws one way up the court. Roberts hands it off to LaPere for Riley. Riley pressured by Mumphrey. Long shot off the mark. Scherer called for the foul on the baseline. 54.3 seconds to go in the first half. St. Pierre checks back in. Caitlin Mumphrey will get the inbounds. Coach Baird with a substitution or two himself. And Mumphrey will bring it up and hold it. Pike, as it gets passed around, and we got a whistle. 3 seconds in the lane. 33.6 seconds to go. Full court pressure now by the Lady Rebels. Eshelman. Riley gets around. LaPere inside. Hake, shot off the basket, good. Mackenzie Hake, the 5'11" senior, gets on the scoreboard. 19-12, Pearl River. Down to 10 seconds to go in the half. Pike, pull-up jumper, left side, off the mark. Loose ball, knocked out of bounds. Hike Hake and Riley run into each other. Ball goes out of bounds. 4.2 seconds. Gattuso going to go in. Hall is out. Gattuso throws it to LaPere. LaPere tries to get off a shot, and that'll end the first half with the Pearl River Lady Rebels up 19-12 over the Hannon Lady Hawks. Second half underway. Eshelman called for the foul to start the second half. Mumphrey kicks it out. Unbehagen. Tabitha Unbehagen gets on the scoreboard. Stolen. Unbehagen puts it back up. No good. LaPere. Oh, and we have a foul. Caitlin Mumphrey. Stolen, Mumphrey, and Caitlin Mumphrey has 2 to add to her 10, making an even dozen. 23-12 the lead now. Mumphrey again trying to pass it to Pike. Pike runs it down and throws it off of Riley out of bounds. Smart play by Rachel Pike. Stolen by Riley. Looking inside, ball knocked away. And we got 3 seconds in the lane. Jolie Simpson about to check in with Bridget Moore. Mumphrey, Caitlin Mumphrey in the lane, kicks it out. Rachel Pike, Tabitha Unbehagen knocks down a three-pointer. She's got 5 in this half. And we got out of bounds over there by Riley. 26-12 Pearl River here, third quarter. Mumphrey knocks it down. Caitlin Mumphrey with 14, half of her team's points here. Third quarter action. That one's going to go out of bounds off of Pearl River. Eshelman with the nice finish right there. Carly Eshelman, the sophomore guard. Mumphrey. Unbehagen, another three-pointer. Tabitha Unbehagen has come out here in the second half in fuego. And that's a double dribble. And we have our first timeout, 5:43 to go, third quarter. 31-14, Pearl River over Hannon. Inbound after the timeout, Moore gives it off to Mumphrey, off the glass. She's got 16. Caitlin Mumphrey a freshman, playing it good here tonight for the Lady Rebs. That one's stolen by Umbehagen from Madison Mumphrey. Going up, shot off the mark. Eshelman came out of the pack with the ball. Couldn't maintain control. It goes off of a Pearl River Lady Rebel, and Hannon's got the basketball. That's Riley taking it to the hoop, giving it up, stolen. Mumphrey, Caitlin dishes it off. Moore, shot. Good, Bridget Moore with 2 points. (35-14). Pearl River, after a tepid first quarter, we got to walk there. After a tepid first quarter, has rolled, pushing out ahead 19-12 at half, and now in the third quarter, they've come out and fuego. That one cross court for Moore from Unbehagen. Tabitha on the baseline, walked. Stolen, and then stolen back, jump ball. We're going to have called there. And everybody up. It's all good. Mumphrey, nice move to the basket, and she's got 18. Mumphrey again gives it up to back to her sister, then back to her. Shot off the mark. And Caitlin Mumphrey will go to the line. She's got 9 field goals in the game, 18 points. Misses on the first, she'll get a second. Pike checks back in along with Irion Kuzan. That shot off the mark. 0 for 2 from the line, but 18 points nonetheless for Mumphrey. Pull-up jumper by Riley off the mark. Mumphrey with the rebound, up ahead for Pike. A little bit too much. Riley. Foul on Caitlin Mumphrey. Full court pressure. Lano going to check in. And Caitlin Mumphrey is going to check out. That one stolen by Moore, Bridget Moore. Cross court. Shot by Unbehagen. Off the mark. Rebound, Riley Roberts. Loose ball. LaPere. Jump ball. Hake checks back in, McKenzie, and Riley Roberts checks out. Eshelman. Riley down the lane, gives it off. for Hake. Stolen by Pike down the line, and a foul by Eshelman. Pearl River to inbound. Pike. Lano. Unbehagen. Inside. Loose ball. Eshelman comes up with it. Carly Eshelman down the lane. Stolen back by Bridget Moore. Trying to go coast to coast. Bridget Moore's got 4 points, and it's a 39-14 lead by the Lady Rebels. Foul on Irion Kuzan. And Hannon basketball. 2:27 to go in the third quarter. 25-point lead for the Pearl River Lady Rebels, who've really blown it open here in the third quarter. That shot by LePere off the mark. Put back is good by Magruder. Only the 4th point of the second half by the Lady Hawks, but a good shot nonetheless. Unbehagen squares up to the basket. Off on the shot. Rebound. Unbehagen ends up with it, but walks as Kuzan had tried to track that one down. McGee checks in along with Gattuso. And Moore checks out. Magruder, Danielle Magruder, gives it off to LePere. Rachel LePere is good. 6 points in the quarter, 39-18. $1:37 to go. La Cuenta Lano, Pike, Kuzan, Pike. Shot, front end of the iron, no good. Rebound, and then stolen by Pike. Shot, no good. Rebound, Hake. Magruder kicking it out for LePere, and Rachel, LePere. Off of a feed from Danielle Magruder. 39-20, 52 seconds to go. That one's out of bounds. Hannon's basketball. Duplashane checking back in, and Magruder checking out. Riley walking it up. LePere gonna take that long shot. Does not get down. Hake, put back, no good. Shot, no good. Reach in, foul. Oh no, knocked out of bounds. Kuzan inbound to Lano. Lano holding it, 24 seconds to go. Pike, third quarter action. Shot off the mark by Brittany McGee. Pike steals it, puts up a shot, no good. Rebound and a putback, no good. Jump ball with 7.1 seconds to go. Irion Kuzan inbounds it. Inside. Loose ball. Quarter about to run out. A walk called right there. Hake got ahead of herself. Kuzan inbound. Gattuso. Shot, no good. That'll end the third quarter. 39-20. Pearl River over Hannon. Fourth quarter action. Archbishop Hannon, the Lady Hawks at Pearl River, taking on the Lady Rebels. Down here in Pearl River, Louisiana. Jump ball on that play. And Savannah Walter inbounds it to Rachel Pike. 19-point lead for the Lady Rebels. St. Pierre. Walter. Griggs. Pike again. Inside for Hall. That shot off the glass and good. Tiffany Hall has two. 41-20, Pearl River. Riley. Duplashane. Inside for Riley, off the glass, no good. Riley ends up with it again. Shot by LePere, and we got a whistle. 3 seconds in the lane. Lady Rebels just happy to hold the ball and run their offense. Hall kicks it back out in the lane. Shot up, no good. Put back, no good. Griggs got the shot off. Pike comes out of the pile with the basketball, and she'll set again. Long shot off the mark by Walter. Duplashane. Stolen from behind by St. Pierre. Pike gonna hold it up. Pike guarded by Riley. Duplashane almost with the steal. Does come up with it. Good play by her. Stolen back by Pike and a foul. Some substitutes. The Mumphrey girls are back in. Caitlin and Madison. Shot pass down inside for Pike. Throws it out to Caitlin Mumphrey. Guarded by Duplashane. Hall in the lane, off the mark. Rebound to Eshelman. Eshelman loses the handle. Madison Mumphrey in the lane, weaving. Nice play. Madison Mumphrey with 5 as it goes off. Kisses that one off the glass. 43-20 Pearl River. Eshelman up court. Duplashane. That shot quick, no good. Loose ball. And Mumphrey and Riley hooking it up right there. A little grit there by Megan Riley. See, they might be down by 23, but she's on the floor getting after it. You gotta like a student athlete that'll do that. Duplashane. Riley, baseline drives. Pass for LePere. Hits off LePere out of bounds. Pike inbounds to Caitlin Mumphrey. The freshman's got 18 in the game and spent most of the third quarter on the bench. Driving, put up shot. She's got 20. 10 field goals at 2 apiece is 20. I'm not a math major, but I did spend the night at a Holiday Inn Express. Drive, stolen. Hall trying to get it up, stolen back. by Roberts. And that will be a walk. Hannah Duplashane, a freshman, 5'3", a lot of spunk. And that one's inbound to Caitlin Mumphrey. Tiffany Hall driving, kicks it back out. Unbehagen, Leno, Mumphrey, Leno, Unbehagen will take that one. Catch the iron. Roberts with the rebound. And we have a jump ball after all is said and done. Coach Baird with some substitutions. Hall kicks it back out. Shot by Mumphrey. Madison Mumphrey. Foul. Foul on Madison Mumphrey. That one's going to go out of bounds. Turnover. 47-20, 3:04 to go in this one. Pearl River down 6-4 at the end of the first quarter. Got the lead at 19-12 at halftime and put 20 on the scoreboard in the third quarter to push out to where they're 47-20 right now, 27-point lead for the Lady Rebels. LaPere going to walk it up against Leno. That one knocked out of bounds. Going to be red basketball. Eshelman will inbound. That one knocked out by Mumphrey. Caitlin Mumphrey, steal ahead for Unbehagen. Pull up in the lane, no good. Got her own rebound, put back, and Tabitha has got 10. Double figures for her tonight, 49-20. That shot is good. Alexa Scherer got 4. 49-22. 2 minutes to go. Mumphrey going to hold it up, and Coach Arcement is going to empty the bench. Unbehagen thought about it and then changed her mind. Not this time, though. Off the mark, no good. Rebound, Kristen Howell. Eshelman. Scherer, Howell on the baseline, no good. Loose ball out of bounds off of Pearl River. Coach Arcement has to be happy with what she saw out of those two freshman sisters tonight, along with the rest of her starters. 49-22. 1:19 to go in this one. Magruder blocked by Walter. Hannon gets it back. Walter ends up with the basketball. LaPere with the steal. Baseline drive, Rachel LaPere, and we have a foul. Eshelman will inbound. Magruder Back to Eshelman. Baseline drive by Carly. Misses the shot. The other way quickly is Savannah Walter. Griggs passes it over to Kuzan, who takes the shot. Rebound, Eshelman the other way. Lepere off the basket, no good. Rebound, Gattuso. Griggs loses the handle on it and then regains it. Shot, Kuzan off the mark. Brooke Gattuso unable to get the rebound, but it's knocked out of bounds off of Hannon. Inbound quick. Gattuso misses it, but Bridget Moore brings it in. Moore down to 6. You can hear him count it down. Long shot, no good by Griggs. And that'll end it, 49-22. Pearl River over Hannon. We've got to send our thank yous out to the people that brought you this game, starting with our superintendent, Mr. Trey Foltz, our director of broadcasting, Dr. Melody Schwang, my cameraman, editor, and the coordinator of Channel 13, Dave the Rave Williams, Charles Tiger Edwards, from the Pearl. Good night, God bless, you be good. You are now leaving the prep zone.